everybody, Matthew of Mr. Domestic, and I am here to share with you this new premium subscription box from Bluprint. It's super awesome, and for those of you who don't go to my other social channels, you might not be aware that I've recently partnered with Bluprint. I have a weekend project there. I just filmed a class that's going to be out the end of the year. I'm sure I'm going to film another thing there next year. And every single person that I've met, because I got to do a tour, is lovely. Like the entire organization. I'm obsessed with all of them. So I'm excited that they asked me to share this with you because I think that this subscription box is something pretty special. And I'm gonna share it. So I'm gonna show you the box. Box! So before I unbox and show you all of this, the actual premium subscription is like an add-on to their subscription. So if you're already a member, you're either like a monthly or an annual, and those two have different types of fees associated with them. And then their premium subscription box, it goes up to $199 for a year. It's only annual. And then through this video, you can get $10 off. Yay! And I'll show you how in the description. And then the $199 goes towards the whole year of subscription to Bluprint, so you have access to all the classes and stuff. And then it comes with 4 of these boxes. And each quarter you get to choose whether you want, like I chose the quilty one since like I'm a quilter and stuff, but they had like a crochet one, they had an embroidery one, they have different ones that I don't necessarily always want to choose a quilting one. So it's cool that there's that option. You have 5 different like mediums to play with. So for this one I've chosen the quilty one, so I'm going to open it up and share with you now. Say hello to my little friend. So hey, say hello to the flyby quilt. Geometric shapes make it fresh, stripes make it a statement, and you make it true original. What's inside? 6 yards of quilter's cotton fabric, a spool of thread, batting, and a printed pattern. That's a lot. And what's this? This is a lot of stuff, y'all. Okay, let me open it all up. It came really cute. Like everything is super well packaged. Here is the pattern by Christy Schroeder-Larson! Christy Schroeder! I love her! She's amazing. She is a top-notch pattern designer, so I know that this pattern is going to be fabulous. I'm so excited that y'all partner with her, Bluprint. She's amazing. And this is all from Boundless. They have their own fabric, and I have worked on a couple projects with their fabric in my class, and I really like their fabric. So these are the different fabrics. Dun, 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 dun. Open it to touch it. So here is this. This is the back. So this is complete. This is complete. This comes with enough fabric to make the complete quilt. Let me say it again. If you have belonged to a subscription service, you don't generally get something to complete the whole quilt. And I'm actually going to do this. I'm going to sew it up before I put this video out there just to confirm that. But that's a big deal because that doesn't happen a lot in subscription. So this is a whole project that you can finish. These are the different fabrics. I really like the palette. It's super fun, super fresh, super clean. So there's a thicker stripe, a thinner stripe. It's like a blue-gray, which is my second favorite color. And then a white. The white and this goes for the front construction, and then this goes for the back construction. And then the Warm Company Soft and Bright needle polyester batting. It's a great beginner batting. So a lot of these projects, I'm thinking like if you're newer to any of the different mediums, they're perfect projects for you. So this goes here. Let me just open it just because I'm opening stuff. And then how do I open this? I was going to use my teeth, but I'm not going to do that in the video. Then this is a craftsy thread. Looks like it's white. All goes together. This is a pattern. Let me let you see this goodness some more. And then I'll put a little graphic here so that you can see it. And then now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take all of this and I am going to, maybe I'll film some B-roll or something, but I'm going to construct the quilt top right now, just to confirm how awesome it is and confirm that the pattern is written really well and that this is enough fabric to construct the whole thing. So next time you see me, I will have constructed it and I'll be standing here with the quilt top. So see you in a little bit. So I don't need to finish this in order to tell y'all how awesome this is. I'm having a great time sewing it. The pattern's super well made. There's plenty of fabric. And you could probably make like a partner pillow, which I will too at another time with the leftover fabric. So A+, amazing. I love it. This is a fabulous quilt in the making, and I will definitely show you in this video. So I am going to finish it before I post it. I do have an affiliate link in the description here. So if you wanted to join this or go look at Bluprint or join the regular service, go for it. I would highly encourage you to join this premium service because for less than $200, you're getting 4 subscription boxes and then a whole year of Bluprint. And on top of this, I just went to go look at it just because I love her, but Vanessa of the Crafty Gemini created tutorials for all 5 of the projects because she does everything. And if you've ever watched her tutorials, like she's like next level, legit amazing. So yeah, I love this box. It's amazing. I'm so honored and grateful to be a part of Bluprint, and they are everything and a bag of chips for real. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you think that this is a neato subscription box and a premium service for Bluprint, and I hope you keep it positive. Mr. Domestic. Yay! I finished it. It took more than an hour. It took me a couple hours to do it, and I was kind of sloppy. But it was a lot of fun. It's a nice size. I even have enough of the white. I'm going to use that to put a border around this before I quilt it. But this was definitely an awesome subscription box and project. And I thumbs up, all the thumbs up. Bluprint, yay!